Assalamu alaikum all students. I'm Razia from BHSS Kufara. My trade is ITs. Today our topic is topology. In previous lectures we have gone through what is network, introduction of network. We have gone through some terms, ARPANET, NSFNet, etc. And we have gone through resource sharings and communication sharing. And today we'll go through a new topic, that is topology. Topology means the arrangement of nodes in a network. Arrangement of nodes in a network is called as network topology. As you know, in a network, computers are connected or electronic devices are connected. Now, topology means the manner in which a network, in which computers are connected or the electronic devices are connected. That is called as topology. There are broadly two types of topologies. First one is broadcast and second one is point to point. In broadcast, all the nodes share the same physical link. That means when one node transmits, all the other nodes receives. Okay, I'll repeat. Network topology is the arrangement of nodes in a network that is called as topology. That means in broadband network, all the nodes share the same physical link. When one node transmits, all the other nodes receives the data. And there is one problem, that collision may occur when more than one node simultaneously transmit the data. Okay. Now, broadcast topologies are mainly bus and ring topology. Okay. Broadcast, I'll repeat, broadcast topologies are mainly bus and ring topology. Okay. And point-to-point topology, in point-to-point topology, every pair of node has a dedicated link. So popular point-to-point topologies are star and mesh. Okay. Broadcast topologies are bus and ring, and point-to-point topologies are star and mesh. Okay. Now we'll start bus topology. In bus topology, there is a long cable called as backbone cable. Okay, there is one long cable that is called as backbone cable that connects various nodes together, connector called as tap. Okay, means there is a long cable which is called as backbone cable, and on this backbone cable number of nodes are connected, and these nodes are connected through a connector called as tape. Okay, a message which is sent by one is received by all devices because it's broadcast topology. In broadcast topology, if one node transmits, all the other receives the data. So in bus topology, when one node transmits the data, all the other nodes which are connected with the backbone cable, they receive the data. Okay. So a message sent by one is received by all the devices connected to the backbone cable. Okay, this topology requires less cabling and is easy to install because this topology, that is bus topology, it's very easy to be installed, and it uses very less cable networking. Okay, it uses very less cabling. Okay, and it extends the network laid using it. Okay, however, fault detection and isolation is difficult. Isolation and fault detection is difficult because when the backbone cable has some damage, when backbone cable is damaged, the whole network gets failed. because the whole network doesn't work. When the backbone cable is not working, the other nodes which are connected with the backbone network, they will not work. Okay, that means backbone cable is very important to work. If it gets damaged, all the other nodes connected with the backbone cable, they doesn't work. Okay, second one is ring topology. In ring topology, all the devices are attached through a cable in the form of a ring. I'll show you the diagrams as well. In this video, I'll show you the diagram of a bus topology. I'll show you the diagram of a ring topology. You can pause the video and you can also check the diagrams. Okay. Ring topology means, in ring topology, all the devices are attached through a cable in the form of ring. Okay, the message to be communicated is transmitted in one direction, thereby relaying the message to the intended recipient. That means the message to be communicated is transmitted in one direction, because when the data is transmitted through a sender, it is sent in only one direction, and it is sent to the intended recipient. For that recipient for whom the message was sent, it is received by that recipient only. Okay, it is also called as what? It's also called as broadcast topology, because when one node transmits the data, all the other nodes receives the data, but only that node which for which the message was sent can only open the message. Okay, but it is sent to all the nodes, so it is broadcast topology. And here fault detection and isolation is easy. How it's easy? Because when there is fault in ring, the whole network doesn't work. The whole network doesn't work because the whole network gets failed. Because the whole network, it works on the basis of a ring. When the ring breaks down, when the ring doesn't work, that means the whole nodes connected with the ring, they doesn't work. Okay, this is all about today. Tomorrow we'll go through some other topologies. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.